welcome to Halloween 2018 on my channel. I really hope you guys will enjoy this series. As you can see, I'm going to be recreating this look which I'm wearing right now. It's the Day of the Dead Sugar Skull Candy makeup look. Obviously this is the first look which I'm bringing to you guys on my channel for Halloween 2018 and I'm super impressed with the way it turned out. I've looked at so many different variations of this look and I've kind of just interpreted it into my own. So I really hope you guys will enjoy watching this type of video. If you do, please make sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and share with anyone who you think will benefit from this look for Halloween. I just thought this would be a really cool look to start my Halloween season with you guys, and I really hope you will enjoy this tutorial. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So starting off with a clean base, I'm going to be taking the Snazzaroo Clown White Face Paint and my Beauty Blender, just dipping this into some water to moisten up the sponge, then taking my Clown White Face Paint and just applying this all over my face evenly, just to create a clean white base.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente.
So I'm now taking my Bare Minerals eye pencil and just creating 2 rings around my eyes to create the base for the sockets. I'm now taking a big brush and some black face paint just to fill in the circles. I'm now taking this flat-ended brush just to pat down that face paint and to get inside those inner corners. Now taking the same eye pencil that we used earlier on, I'm just going to use this to create the outline of my nose. Then taking some face paint just to fill in that nose. I'm going in with this eye pencil again just to redefine those lines a little bit more. Now, taking some liquid eyeliner, I'm going to use this to create the eyebrows. For this, I'm going to create 2 web shapes above my eyes and crisscross them to give that web effect. We're now going to add some colour to this look, so I'm going to be taking this red lip liner and just using this to define the outline of my lip. Then taking this gorgeous red shade and just applying this all over my lips just to create a really nice bold colour and effect to this look. Taking that black eye pencil again, we're going to use this to create our cheekbones, and I'm using these circles just as a guideline as to where I need to start the shading. Taking another red lip liner, I'm going to be using this to create the petals around my eyes. Don't worry too much if it doesn't come out too even. Taking some red face paint, I'm going to use this just to redefine that redness around my eyes, and it just makes it look a little bit more bolder and shinier as well. Now going back to those cheekbones, I'm just taking some brown eyeshadow and just blending out those black lines to create a skull-like effect. This just redefines those cheekbones and just makes them really pop out. Taking that liquid eyeliner again, I'm going to use this to create the stitches or a teeth for the mouth by drawing lines from top to bottom, making them smaller as you go along. Then I'm just finishing off by adding a small line in between to extend the smile. I'm now just filling up that space by adding some hearts and some petals onto my chin. I'm just using this again with that black eyeliner pencil. Then I'm adding this cross on my forehead because I find that a lot of the looks that I've been looking at so far have that on there. So I just thought it would be more respectful to do that and add that onto this look. Now it's time for those finishing touches, so I'm just finishing off this look by applying these roses into my hair, and I think this is a good touch to add to this look, and with that touch of red it just set this off completely, and that is a look complete. So yeah, there we go. That is my first Halloween video of the year so far. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you do like this video, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. That's all from today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!